I'm so close to getting the Rat Rod 1980 Toyota roadworthy. Today, I'm adjusting the steering. I did drive it down the street, and the steering was super sloppy. Look at all that play in the wheel. It shouldn't be that loose. Here's the 1985 4Runner for comparison. Look at how much tighter that is. This should have 30 millimeters of play max, which is like what, 1 1/8 of an inch? Luckily, it's super easy to take out excessive play by adjusting this slotted screw on the top of the steering box. I have a 14 millimeter wrench and it goes over the nut. Actually, let's use the open end for a tighter grip and turn it counterclockwise. And that's really tight. I need more leverage. This was pretty short. This long one should break it loose. Not a fan of the play with the 12-point closed in, but let's give it a try. Oh wow, that was it? You guys are gonna think my stunt double came in here between shots and cracked that loose for me. But leverage makes all the difference. Now get a flathead on the top of the screw, hold the nut in place with the wrench, and tighten the screw clockwise. Just a couple of turns for now. Maybe a tiny bit better. All right, round 2. If you've ever adjusted the valve lash on a cylinder head, this is the exact same concept. It's a little bit tighter. I'll give it a couple more turns. And the screw itself is starting to get tight. Oh, that's much better. Yeah, this feels a lot tighter. Maybe just barely too tight. Time to take a measurement to see if it's within the max range of 30 millimeters. Ruler. There's probably a scientific way to do this, but this looks like a lot less than 30 millimeters. Maybe more like 20 or even 15. I'll just turn it back out a little bit and tighten the nut. This feels good right here. Not too tight, not too loose, just a little bit of play. Make sure that nut is good and tight with the long wrench, and done. You may have noticed that my combination switch is all busted up on the headlight side as well as on the wiper side. So next time I'll show you all how to install a new one. Thanks for watching.